Today we're taking a little bit of a deep dive into Laser Photonics Corp, LASE. Just a very small company, again, in a series of small company opportunities since it's this hot sector right now, and is this set to soar at just $5.50 a share. So what do we know about Laser Photonics? The design, manufacture, industrial use lasers. It sounds pretty cutting edge. These lasers are used for cutting, marking, cleaning systems. But they've also got a few other cards up their sleeves, and that's what makes this an even more intriguing play. So formed in 2001 and kind of operating as kind of a subunit of a privately held company, Phonon Technologies. Makes this a little interesting play. Phonon owns about 28% of Laser Photonics, but they do have different CEOs and some different agendas. It seems like Phonon likes to develop and design defense and aerospace laser needs, and then Laser Photonics manufactures it. But Laser Photonics, so what's going on with them specifically, has been making some big news of its own. They've been on the acquisition prowl. They purchased a company called Control Micro System. Has products already. This is quite interesting. They have laser equipment used for the semiconductor industry. A lot of different uses here for these type of products. I guess the first thing that Laser Photonics is going after is really the cleaning market. So using lasers to clean scrub, that's taking rust off of things, making them last longer, more viable products for the longer term. Very interesting market. I didn't think there was that much to it until I started peering into it, and it turns out that this has a addressable market of about $46 billion. So they're first going after their fair share of this market as a initial phase, but they also made this acquisition to tackle the laser equipment for semiconductor manufacturing. But they also have yet another phase, and that is laser use for aerospace and defense, shields and the like. So very interesting market for Laser Photonics Corp. It's got my attention. I bet it has yours too. And let's take a little bit at some of the fundamentals of Laser Photonics and see if we still think it's hot. So we've already addressed that Laser Photonics operates in a very unique space, and it's pretty cutting edge technology using lasers for cleaning, semiconductor tools, and then potentially aerospace and defense needs, with a very large addressable market to go after. Laser Photonics has a tiny little speck of a market cap at $76 million with just a $5.50 price. So you're going to see some volatility here. I guess the interesting thing is that they do have a little bit of revenue, and the recent acquisition is going to start to compound that revenue, as that is at least accretive from a revenue perspective and nothing that's going to detract. This is a good thing. This bodes very well for their future, and I'm pretty excited to see that move. The fact that they're also plowing good money into R&D is another very interesting thing. So, tiny market cap, affordable stock price, a little bit of cash on the books, even less debt. They appear to have access to cash and recapitalizing. Some revenue, and revenue is going to be growing. They've made an acquisition. Things are looking kind of interesting, very interesting for Laser Photonics. And with a addressable market that is set to explode and go higher and higher for this type of industry, I think that the time could be right to get involved in this. I've got a small stake in this company. I'm going to continue to evaluate to see if I want to increase that or not, but was excited enough to want to share that with all of you. Just the company, the opportunity, and let you have a chance to evaluate it for yourself. So if you like it, great. If you don't, let me know, or maybe you just do a little bit more due diligence and see where you want to take it. At either rate, early stage company in a hot laser photonics category could yield massive results, which is what we're all about. Hope you like this. We'll talk again soon.